Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the gas lid button, and more importantly I'm going to show you how to test it to make sure that's actually the part that needs to be replaced. So my car is a 2011 Kia Sorrento, and to take the door panel off there's 6 screws that need to come out, and then the bottom of the door panel is held in with plastic clips. So what you can do there is get like a putty knife or something, and you slide it up underneath the door panel and then twist it gently, and that should be enough to pop those plastic clips out. Then to remove the door panel itself, you just have to lift up on it, like lift straight up on it, and it should come out. So unfortunately I lost the footage of me actually pulling the door panel off, but once you get all the clips out and the screws taken out, it's pretty easy to figure out how to take it off. Also, I found it was helpful to pop out this speaker panel before trying to remove the door panel. Alright, so this is the back side of the button, and the button comes with these 2 wires connected to it, which connects it to this connector, which connects it to the rest of the circuit. So how do you know if the problem is with this button or if it's something else? Be it damaged wires, a bad solenoid, whatever. Well, I have a multimeter here. It's set to DC 20. I'm going to show you 2 things you can do to test it. First, you put the red on the red, and the black on the black here. So I'm trying to do this one-handed so I can record it too. So bear with me. There we go. Alright, so if I put those on there, and you look at the multimeter there, see it says 12 volts. So that's what it should be getting. It should be getting 12 volts. Now, if you look over, my gas lid is shut right now. If I bridge this across these 2 here like this, like you probably just heard it. It just popped open. So that's how I know that the button is the problem and not anything else. All of the wiring and the circuit's working fine. Alright, so now to take this thing out, and in this part you just grab it and you pull it towards you and it comes off. Alright, so I couldn't record this as I was doing it, so I'm going to tell you how I got the old one out. There's these tabs here that hold it in, and I was just kind of pushing on them like this with the screwdriver until I got one out, and then I went to the bottom one and I pushed on that. And it kind of destroys them, but I'm not putting this piece back in, so it doesn't matter. This is the old one. So when you install the new button, first of all, make sure that the little gas icon is facing upright. That'll annoy you to no end, I'm sure, if you put that thing in upside down. And I also found that it was helpful to rock the button back and forth as you were putting it in. It helps make the clips on the button latch onto the door panel. So now, in theory, this should work. Yes!